Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. There has been a shakeup in cryptocurrency exchange dominance. In today's video, I want to update you on your favorite cryptocurrency coins, the top exchanges in the crypto space today, including crypto exchanges that have gone down in market share and volume, cryptocurrency exchanges that have gone up in market share and volume, cryptocurrency exchanges with the best fees, the most popular ones, and the least popular ones. If you appreciate the daily cryptocurrency content, smash the like button and let's jump into it. And again, I want to remind you, subscribe to the channel. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed. So let's jump right in. The two biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, which are sinking ships for the month of May and June, losing market share, cutting staff, losing usership, are Gemini and Coinbase. Gemini cutting staff by 10%, blaming crypto winter. The US-based crypto exchange cited the crypto industry's sustained downturn and macroeconomic turmoil as the reason for reducing its staff. Coinbase freezing hires and actually rescinding already accepted job offers that they offered. They took them back. The cryptocurrency crash and fears of a crypto winter have prompted Coinbase to get even more aggressive in cutting costs. And of course, the reason this is happening is because Coinbase app downloads have dropped by 55% in 2022. Gemini users, all cryptocurrency exchanges, are seeing a dip in usership compared to the peaks of 2021. Currently, the best cryptocurrency exchanges decided by the market, so the cryptocurrency exchanges with top market share: Binance number 1 with 64%, FTX at 10%, flipping Coinbase. FTX used to be below Coinbase. Now FTX at 10%, Coinbase at 9%, Kraken 3%, Bitfinex 2%, LMAX Digital 2%, Gemini not even making the list. So FTX has flipped Coinbase here on market share. FTX also overtaking Coinbase in Bitcoin volume for the first time ever. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase processed a record number of transactions in May. However, it still fell behind FTX in terms of trading volume. So people are opting out of Coinbase, choosing other cryptocurrency exchanges. Of course, you know that FTX is a sponsor of our channel. You can trade on FTX with zero fees and get up to $100 in crypto with Altcoin Daily. Use Altcoin Daily when you sign up or scan this QR code. FTX US has fees up to 85% cheaper than competitors and is trusted by millions of users. Plus, you can earn free crypto on every trade over $10. FTX is my personal favorite. Trade with zero fees. Get up to $100 if you use our Altcoin Daily reference code. FTX is gaining market share and gaining volume for a reason, and FTX is number 1 in my opinion. Coinbase is okay. Coinbase is going to make it through this. And Binance is number 2 in my opinion, especially with some of the outside stuff they're doing. Binance and the Weeknd launch a crypto power world tour. Besides like Kanye West or Ariana Grande, I think the Weeknd is one of the best, largest artists in the world right now, and he's launching a crypto NFT powered world tour with Binance backing it. The Weeknd will launch various NFT collections as Binance comes aboard the After Hours Till Dawn concert tour. So let me know your favorite exchanges in the comments below. Let me know what you like about certain ones. Let me know what you dislike about certain ones. And I do want to end this by saying smart companies, the smartest thing to do in a crypto bear market isn't necessarily to fire 10% of the staff. That would be the last thing you want to do. Fidelity seems to be doing it right. Fidelity Digital Assets is doubling its staff, adding 110 tech jobs, mostly to aid in Ethereum services. And, quote, the reason that they're hiring in a crypto bear market: we're trying not to focus on the downturns and focus on some of the long-term indicators, referring to the growing demand for crypto exposure from its clients. We are trying to build infrastructure for the future because we measure success over years and decades, not weeks and months. I love this. We're at the precipice of an explosion of usership on Ethereum L2s. L2s for Ethereum are the future. This is a chart that's aggregating Ethereum gas fees spent to settle L2 activity on ETH. It's aggregating all the top ones: Arbitrum, Boba, Immutable, Loopring, Optimism, Polygon, Starknet, zkSwap, zkSync. And yesterday marked the highest amount of gas ever used to settle Ethereum mainnet to settle L2 transactions. Almost 4 billion of the 100 billion daily gas limit was used to settle L2 transactions, or almost 4%. What is one major takeaway of this trend? I've said it before. That's that Ethereum is transitioning from a B2C, business to customer, user to chain business model to a B2B, business to business, chain to chain model. It will happen slowly, and then all of a sudden, majority of the ETH gas will be used by L2 chains. Different crypto protocols will use Ethereum as the base layer to settle, and users will be on L2 and maybe even L3 one day, and L2s continue just to trend parabolic as people opt into them. Optimism's June monthly Uniswap volume is already as high as May, and we're only a few days into June. People are using Optimism. People are using alternative layer ones. Avalanche doing great. The price is dipping, but on-chain metrics are trending up. Take a look at these 4 charts. Native stablecoin, native USDC at an all-time high of about 1.5 billion, up 67% since April 1st. Monthly transactions, all-time high, about 32 million in May. Unique contracts deployed, over 166,000, up 81% since March 1st. And then finally, total value locked, over 300 million AVAX at an all-time high, up 83% since April 1st. Solana maybe doesn't have the same bullish metrics that AVAX has at the moment, and also Solana seems to be getting shut off and paused more and more in the past couple weeks. Still, Solana, I think, eventually will be okay. It has great backing, great partnerships with Coinbase, OpenSea, so much, and behind the scenes they continue to build. I mean, that's why they take it offline. They're trying to fix things, and hopefully it's going to come back stronger than ever. The time to really do this is bear markets. Anyway, the news is this: Solana has also integrated Chainlink price oracles on the mainnet. This is a big win for Chainlink. This is a big win for Solana. The key takeaways are as follows. Solana has integrated Chainlink's decentralized price feed on its mainnet. The integration will allow Solana devs to leverage reliable, near real-time price feeds from Chainlink's decentralized oracles to build superior DeFi apps. Developers will initially be able to access only 7 different price feeds, however, hundreds more to come in the coming months thanks to Chainlink. And to really understand the power of Chainlink here and understand why this is such a big win for Chainlink, Solana is Chainlink's first native integration on a non-EVM chain, a non-Ethereum virtual machine compatible chain. And this wasn't just a redeployment of existing code. It involved rewriting significant chunks of code, including both on-chain and off-chain infra. The point is, Chainlink did this with 0 compromises, and that's why it's such a big deal. Another Chainlink win, another Matic Polygon win. Chainlink's VRF, Verified Random Function version 2, is now live on Polygon. And then finally, my friends, I understand that the market's going down right now. I understand we're in a lull right now. But do not think for a second that people all over the world are having to reckon with cryptocurrency in whatever way they have to reckon with it. Regulators, whoever. In this case, Japan passes legal framework for stablecoins. There's some good, there's some bad, just like anything. Overall, regulations like this are great because it means game on. It means they're not going to ban it. They're going to clarify things so big players can start using it. The new legislation, which comes into effect 2023, defines stablecoins as digital money. That's great. However, it restricts issuance to licensed financial institutions. Maybe not as good, maybe safer. You tell me. It is really good as well that stablecoin $1 legally have to be redeemed for fiat $1 at Japan banks in 2023. Let me know your thoughts to everything we went over today in the comments below. Smash the like if you appreciate these daily videos. Hope you have a fantastic weekend.